This next problem will help you understand the Pythagorean theorem and distance formula. A man standing on a street looks at the top of the building. The man is standing 20 feet away from the base of the building, and the building is 60 feet tall. What is the distance between the man and the top of the building? First, we will use the Pythagorean theorem to find this value. So when we draw a diagram to represent this problem, the height of the building is 60 feet. The distance between the man and the building is 20 feet. So if we make a line with the top of the building and the man, we get a right triangle. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The height of the building is 60 feet, the distance between the man and the building is 20 feet, and the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals x squared. So we input these values, we get 60 squared plus 20 squared equals x squared. When we simplify this, we get x squared equals 3,600 plus 400. Simplifying further, we get x equals the square root of 4,000. And when we input this into the calculator, we get x equals 63.245. Now we will do this exact same problem, but instead of using the Pythagorean theorem, we will use a distance formula. So when we draw the diagram again, we can set that the intersection of the base of the building and the street we can make as the origin, 0, 0. The top of the building will be the point 0, 60, and the point at which the man is standing will be the point 20, 0. The distance formula, as you all remember, is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. When we let d equals x, which is what we want to find, x equals the square root of 0 minus 20 squared plus 60 minus 0 squared. When we simplify this, we get x equals the square root of 400 plus 3,600. This simplifies to the square root of 4,000, and inputting this into the calculator, we get the square root of 4,000 to equal 63.245. Remember that in the last problem, we got the exact same value. That means that using the Pythagorean theorem and distance formula is basically the exact same thing except derived. So using the Pythagorean theorem and distance formula will get you the same value.